Jugs, boobs, bouncing betties, bouncing Buddhas, sweater stacks, Scooby snacks, Hooters, Bobsy twins, WMD's weapons of mass destruction, pillows, tatas, knockers, Hooters, tits, motorboat and mud flaps, milkshakes, airbags, your rack, cans, melons, the girls, breasts. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. 1 out of 8 women in America will be diagnosed with breast cancer. That's 12%. Ladies, you spend your whole lives telling us to look up here. This month, we're asking you to have somebody look down here. Make an appointment. It only takes a minute, and the life you save could be your own. Okay? But stick around. On this episode, we're going to be announcing the winners of the Endless Summer Bangin Gears Gear Contest. So stick around. So before we announce the winners of the Endless Summer Bangin Gears Gear Giveaway, say that 3 times fast, let's recap some of the videos I've done over the last few months. I was asked to film the National Rifle Association's 5th annual Classic Car Show. Video was fantastic. It was a beautiful day, lots of beautiful cars. Has the same feel as the Endless Summer videos. So if you like those videos, you're definitely going to want to check it out. The link is already above me somewhere. I also do a ton of work for the Haymarket Police Department here in Northern Virginia. And they asked me again to film their breast cancer awareness walk. It came out fantastic. It's visually stimulating. The song is really powerful. And the whole theme of that has to do with the opening of this video. So definitely want to check it out. Let me know your thoughts. And really, I tried something new with the technique. I really want to know your opinion on it. So coming up in the next few months, I'm pretty lax. I really don't have anything in the hopper till the Washington International Motorcycle Show in January. I'll still be dropping some Motor Mayhem stuff, which is a series I created about some of the most brutal car crashes I could possibly find. No fender benders, it's all like smash, smash, smash. So if you like that sort of stuff, and most people do like a train wreck, you're gonna wanna check out that series as well. And Cars and Coffee is still going on every Sunday, so I'll definitely hit that. Maybe I'll get a video or 2 out of that. Maybe I'll get a couple of spotlight videos out of there. We'll just focus on one car for that entire video. But I know, again, that's not why any of you are here. You are all here to see who the winners are. So let's get to it. So the winner of video number 1, which was for a fleece, went to a male, Jeffrey Boveus. I think that's how you pronounce it. The name will be here at the bottom of the screen. Some of these may actually not be names. They may be YouTube handles or abbreviations for something. Obviously, my name is Frank. It's not Bangin Gears. So look down here for the correct name and my pronunciation of it. I apologize in advance. Video number 2, which was for a Bangin Gears hat, went to Julio Figueroa. Congratulations, Julio. Video number 3, which was for a fleece, went to a female, went to Susan WOJ. Again, I'm not sure if that's a handle name, screen name, abbreviation or what, but congratulations to Susan as well for the fleece. Video number 4, which was our last video, this is pretty easy, for a hat, went to Blackbeard Dave. So congratulations to all the winners, Jeffrey, Julio, Susan, and Dave. You can email me, which I'll put down here as well, or you could shoot me a message if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, and we'll get in contact and I'll get you this stuff out as quickly as I possibly can. Okay? Thanks again to all the winners. Thank you for everyone who let me put the camera in their face and film their car when we were down there in Endless Summer down in Ocean City. I cannot do this without you, and I appreciate it. So thank you very much, and we'll catch you next time on Bangin Gears.